What I wish I knew about personal finance. Picture this: you're living your dream life, financially secure, stress-free, and empowered to take on the world. It's not fiction, it's the power of mastering personal finance. In this video, we'll explore the secrets to financial success that every young adult should know. Personal finance might sound daunting, but it's crucial for a stable future. It starts with understanding your money and how to best use it. By prioritizing financial education, you lay the foundation for a lifetime of informed decisions. Stay tuned as we unpack key lessons to kickstart your financial journey. Budgeting is more than just numbers, it's about prioritizing what's important. Allocate funds mindfully, ensuring essentials and savings take precedence. Together, these habits empower you for financial stability and peace of mind. Debt can be daunting, but with the right strategies, it becomes manageable. Always pay your bills on time and aim to reduce high-interest debts first. Building good credit is essential for future financial opportunities. Keep your credit utilization low and regularly check your credit report for accuracy and improvements. Investing isn't only for the wealthy, it's a tool anyone can use to grow their finances. Start small and be patient, taking advantage of compound interest over time. Diversify your portfolio with a mix of stocks, bonds, or mutual funds, ensuring your investment aligns with your risk tolerance and financial goals. We all make mistakes, but learning from them is key. Avoid impulsive spending and neglecting savings. Don't overlook small expenses, as they accumulate over time. Stay informed about financial trends and seek advice from trusted sources. Always plan ahead and avoid procrastinating on essential financial decisions and actions. Avoid common missteps that can cost you dearly. Impulse buys, neglected savings, and ignored financial statements are pitfalls many face. Stay informed, prepared, and proactive to steer clear of these dangers. Remember, financial peace is achieved through thoughtful choices and continuous learning. Your journey to financial freedom starts today. Implement these tips, learn from mistakes, and share this video with friends seeking guidance. Empower yourself and others by creating a financially savvy community. Hit subscribe for more valuable insights on building a prosperous future. Embark on your financial adventure and take control of your destiny. Share this journey with peers, creating a network of financially informed individuals. Remember, knowledge is power. Stay curious, stay aware, and together we'll navigate the world of personal finance with confidence and competence.